Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about the bombshell by the former Speaker of the House of Representatives, Yakubu Dogara, that Nyesom Wike, as governor of Rivers State, funded the election of Bala Mohammed between 2018 and 2019 to become the governor of Bauchi State. That revelation has thrown questions about accountability to the people of Rivers State. How does that serve the interests of Rivers people, that their governor was funded the governorship election for a northwest state? That's what we're going to talk about in this video, because there are a whole lot of things to unravel. How does people of Rivers benefit? What did the people of Rivers State benefit from that investment in Bauchi election? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Honorable Yakubu Dogara, Speaker of the House of Representatives, between 2015 and 2019, dropped a bombshell. But that bombshell he dropped, he was apparently doing that in defense of Nyesom Wike in his ongoing brickbat with the governor of Bauchi State, Bala Mohammed, over the soul of the embattled People's Democratic Party, the main opposition party in Nigeria. He issued a statement which he personally signed in Bauchi, calling his governor, Bala Mohammed, an ingrate, referencing the time how he emerged as governor and how Nyesom Wike played a key role. And we're going to look at what Bala Mohammed revealed. Then we now situate it in context of good governance and the benefit of the Rivers people to that misadventure. Now, Dogara alleged that Wike played a significant role in financing Bala Mohammed's gubernatorial election in 2019. According to Dogara, he recounted events that led up to Mohammed's emergence as the gubernatorial candidate in 2018. According to him, he said that Mohammed's chances of securing the ticket, of governorship ticket of the PDP in Bauchi State at that time were very slim due to the influence of his main rival, Senator who had the state party structure in his favor. Dogara said that as somebody who supports Bala Mohammed, he approached Nyesom Wike to help them handle this challenge they face, because Ningi has the support of the party structure in the state, which Bala Mohammed does not. Okay? Of course, this thing you must note was 3 years or thereabout after Bala Mohammed was no longer minister of the FCT that he was, which ended by 2015 when President Goodluck Jonathan was defeated. Dogara said that he approached Wike for help. And he said, and I quote, he said, I called Wike and pleaded with him to intervene in Bauchi. Wike assured me that he will help without even knowing that we were backing Bala Mohammed. Said that Wike agreed to help without knowing who the candidate he was backing was. He said Wike then appointed his close ally, Chief Dan Obie, as chairman of the primary election panel and personally facilitated his travel to Bauchi using a private jet. Take note of that. Wike, without knowing who the candidate was, after he agreed to be on the side of Dogara team, appointed his close ally, Chief Dan Obie, as chairman of the primary election panel and personally facilitated his travel to Bauchi using a private jet. Now, this looks somehow. Does it mean that Nyesom Wike was the chairman of the party that has to appoint the panel that will go and do primary in Bauchi? Because he was not the national chairman of the party. But there was something also you will have to note. After the defeat of the PDP in 2015, PDP was in disarray. Nyesom Wike was literally, allegedly, the person funding the party, ensuring that the party did not go into total oblivion. So it was perhaps it was possible that he told the chairman, look, I want you to send one of my boys, Chief Dan Obie, to go and to be the one that will pretend over the primary election in Bauchi. That's my own interpretation of what Dogara explained to us Nigerians. So that's how he facilitated the emergence. So when Obia came to Bauchi, he knew what to do. And what he has to do was to deliver on the side of Dogara, whoever Dogara was backing. Don't forget, at that time, Dogara was the Speaker of the House of Representatives. So Dogara backed Bala Mohammed. Now, what happened after the Dogara had helped Bala Mohammed to get the ticket is another story. Now, before I go further on that, if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, Dogara revealed that Wike bore all the financial expenses for the primary election processes and did not attach any conditions to his assistance. Take note of that. He did not attach any conditions. In other words, there was nothing for Rivers people to benefit in that assistance. That's my interpretation. You may have your own interpretation. Without any conditions to his assistance. Now, Dogara said after Bala Mohammed secured the ticket, it became obvious that he had no money for campaign. Because Bala Mohammed had no money for campaign, he said, we organized a fundraiser in Abuja, which turned out to be a flop, raising only 48 million, out of which 20 million had already been spent on organizing the event, Dogara said. So they were able to raise only 48 million naira. And the amount of money they spent, 20 million. in organizing the event. It was, according to him, it was a total flop. Now, he said, Dogara said, facing financial crisis, himself and his team approached Wike again. He also recorded a visit to Port Harcourt with Bala Mohammed, where Wike initially expressed displeasure at the unannounced arrival of the Bauchi gubernatorial candidate. And Nyesom Wike remembered how Bala Mohammed treated him badly when Bala Mohammed was Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. According to Dogara, Wike recounted how Bala Mohammed, during their time as minister, denied him a land allocation and humiliated him during a visit to his office. Despite this, Wike still agreed to help, warning us that we will regret if Bala became governor. End of quote, said Dogara. So Nyesom Wike agreed to fund the campaign. So Dogara, in that statement, narrated how Wike provided a financial lifeline and even gave them a private jet to return to Abuja. Now, all these are costs that was borne by the governor of Rivers State at the time. Now, how does all this serve the interest of Rivers State? Did it serve any interest of Rivers State? What did Rivers benefit from Bala Mohammed emerging the governor of Rivers State, governor of Bauchi State? Perhaps if you are from Rivers State, you may drop your comment on how your state benefited from your governor allegedly sponsoring the election of Bala Mohammed. Now, which raises the question again about the tendency of Rivers governors to flex muscle at the national level. How does that help Rivers State? Rivers State has a history of flexing muscle at the center. In other states, is it because they have so much money in Rivers or what? Is Rivers having the highest standard of living in Nigeria than other states? That their needs are all being met? That their governors will be bothered about other states? These are critical questions to ask. Remember, when Odele was the first governor of Rivers State at the return of democracy in 1999, Odele was also very powerful. He was able to show power beyond Rivers State. That was why he was the only governor that came out with his full chest that he wanted to be a successor to Olusegun Obasanjo. But that endeavor eventually had a care leg that made it not to be a reality. Now, if you look at Chibi Kerotimi Amechi, he was also very powerful. And during his time as governor, he was among the alleged staunch financial backbone of the All Progressive Congress that made it possible for Muhammadu Buhari, who is not known to have much money, to be able to defeat an incumbent president. And Rivers government get involved and ensured that they were able to defeat an incumbent president. Okay, so Amechi was able to pull his weight and ensured that the APC became victorious in 2015. because he has the financial muscle or backup of the state. Now, Nyesom Wike also, you can see also that Nyesom Wike, when he was governor, he also wanted to be president. He also wanted to be president. And in that 2019, he contested the primaries. In that 2019, I don't think he contested the primary, but in that he was very influential at that time in 2019 election. Remember that 2019 election was the election in which Atiku ran with Peter Obi. He was very influential. He flexed his muscles, and that also translated to his contesting for president ahead of 2023. And he had the financial muscle of the state to be able to challenge Atiku Abubakar, who is also who's a politician who has a very deep pocket. Okay, he was able to flex his muscle, showing the reverse capacity to be able to challenge at the national level. But the question is, how does these actions, including the particular issue in question, the alleged funding of Bala Mohammed's campaign, how does that serve the interests of Rivers people? What did they benefit from it? Because in trying to defend Nyesom Wike and bring down his governor, Bala Mohammed, Dogara had opened up something that should be of concern to those who believe in good governance, especially those from Rivers State, whose governors do engage in this act of trying to influence activities in other states. What do they gain from it? Are they better off or not with that adventure or misadventure? What do you think about this? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.